Attention. Sanity. Attention. Sanity. Attention.
चलो मैं केक लाती हूँ। चलो वो रखते हैं।
Attention. एक साल दस को सलामी देंगे, सलामी दो। जय
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जयति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष
अरे
Hands up.
Hands down. Hands down. Hands down. Disperse.
history of India, as it marked the transformation of India into a democratic republic. Celebrated every year, January 26. This day honors of Constitution Day. This day honors of Constitution Day of India, which came into force in 1950. And the incredible thing made by our freedom fighters. It is a day to remember the remarkable journey that our country has undertaken since it was independent. From a nation under colonial rule to one that stands tall as the world's largest democracy. As we gather to commemorate this momentous occasion, it is a perfect opportunity to reflect on the ideals that our country was built for: justice, liberty, equality, and freedom.
These principles, ensuring the Constitution, continue to guide the nation towards progress and prosperity. The Constitution that represents our dreams and hopes of our founding fathers, who advised a nation of every guileless citizen for their background, is treated with dignity and respect. It is a testament of our country, unwavering commitment, democracy and fairness.
To bring these values to life, a well-crafted program plays a vital role in inspiring pride, unity in every heart. It sets a tone for the day's celebration, reminding us of our responsibility as citizens and the importance honor of preserving the freedom we enjoy today.
Through speeches, culture, performance, and moments of reflection, Republic Day unites us in all regrets for our history, present, and future.
बीच में से गया
Yes, indeed. Republic Day reminds us of the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Today, as we stand united, let's take a moment to reflect on the rich legacy that has shaped India we know and love.
We have an exciting program planned for you today with patriotic performance, a celebration of India's diverse culture and history. Here we present a patriotic mashup song.
Good morning. ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का।
Let us all rise for the national anthem followed by a salute to our brave soldiers who protect our unwavering border.
Without the further delay, let's open the festival. Stay tuned as we witness performances that celebrate our unity and diversity. Once again, Happy Republic Day to all of you. Let's celebrate our nation with pride.
Before we continue further with the patriotic fervor, the students who are going here to scatter the tricolor of the national flag, I, myself, Principal of A.K. Modi High School, Mrs. Idam Shaisal Bakpal, wish each one of you a very, very happy Republic Day. A day to commemorate or to reflect. This is the theme of A.K. Modi's celebration today. I am very grateful to our honored chief guest, Mr. Manoj Pulekar, who even through his heavily scheduled duties has managed to be present over here and has really marked this occasion of our school to be an outstanding one. Honestly speaking, this might not be the first patriotic function celebrated in the campus of A.K. Modi, but of course, talking about the outsiders, the goodwill of the people, the remarkable support that we received from the public of Vihur, from the public of the vicinity, we are thankful towards them for their presence. And this, of course, is our first function with a chief guest, profound and so renowned. Thank you, sir, for coming here. To put some more light upon our chief guest, Mr. Manoj Pulekar. He is a known personality in the areas of Murud, a figure who actually symbolizes the Murud Nagar Palika, who was here working for years for the working of the development of the PWB, that is the Public Works Department, which which is responsible for the infrastructural development of a community of an area. Even though he has been shifted to Roha, he has still marked his presence not only into Bihur or Murur but into our hearts, and we are grateful that he has managed to come all the way from Roha. I also congratulate him on behalf of A.K. Modi High School and all the good willing people sitting here for his current progress. I was just having a conversation with him in the morning and was fortunate enough to know that he has been selected for some training onto state level, and it's of course an achievement. I think we need to clap for achievements for this. Saying this, I also say we are not only the proud host over here, but we are also proud that we are actually schooling the daughter of Mr. Manoj Pilekar, who in every step of us, in every act of us, stands and symbolizes the great parenthood she is receiving. And we are grateful to both the parents to have had such a great parenthood, and we wish that each and every child who comes to the A.K. Modi School campus comes out into a human being, into a being who signifies humanity and who contributes to the society rather than taking it away from it. With this, we continue with the next dance performance. I invite the students to come to the stage. Yes, you may come, students. any external aggressions anymore. Gone are the days when we had to fight colonialism. Gone are the days when we had to fight foreign rulers. Today, we are fighting for our rights. With whom? We are versus whom? One Indian versus another Indian? One Indian who is privileged is the one who is facing as an opponent to the one who is forcing or taking away the rights of others. How long shall we continue with this? It's a day we pose this question to ourselves. At schools play a very important role in doing this. I stand here and I represent not only A.K. Modi High School, but each and every school which has been working into the nooks and corners, even in the tribal areas, even in the areas of the metropolitan. But yes, when you're talking about schools, they are the only organizations today which are cherishing the minds, which are cherishing the young minds to grow into Indians as single Indians. I request each parent who is over here, I request each teacher over here and every student over here to take today as an oath. Take it as an oath that we today are the Indian citizens, tomorrow it will be our kids. When they grow up, do not make them with their different names, with different cultural identities. We need to grow them with one single name, that's an Indian. Every parent should be proud of raising an Indian child rather than raising a child with cultural differences, rather a child with prejudices against another community. It's our duty towards the youngsters today and we proudly fulfill it today, and I'm thankful to each and every parent for coming here. With this, I end with the function and request you all to proceed towards the high tea which has been arranged for you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.